Oh, sir, do you use these bins in businesses?
No. Oh, wait a moment.
How do you label your bins? Masking tape, paper labels, dissolvable labels?
Dissolve.
Oh, wonderful. So you get in the right spot. This is a remarkable label. Right on it like a whiteboard. The ink stays on through steam, boiling water, freezing water, condensation. Instead of peeling off and throwing it away or letting it dissolve like you currently do, you simply take a cloth in your dish room, erase it. This whole bin, label and all, goes through your dishwasher 500 times or a whole year of use guaranteed. Best part, you'll never be like, where are the dissolvable labels? Where's the tape? Ever again. Now it's always where you left, it's always right here. No matter how you label, will save you money. Dissolvables cost between 3 and 7 cents per piece, or 500 uses between $15 and $35. Our labels cost 79 cents per 500 uses. No matter how you label, you save money. If you have any bottles that have residue buildup, or have any bottles with any amount of labeling, never again, it's that good every time. If you're just joining me, really quick, this is a remarkable label. Super simple. Every bin in your kitchen becomes a whiteboard. Right on it, the ink stays on through steam, boiling water, freezing water, condensation. All you do is simply take a cloth and your dish room,
Buy through anyone or online.
erase it. Looks this good every time. Through your dishwasher, 500.
Yeah, Cisco or Reinhardt.
Labels again. If you buy labels again, you buy them once a year,
right
every
now,
single time.
but we
Free to
can get them
customize,
set
add
up.
logos, text, languages, colors, whatever you want to add. There's also
Why don't
bottle
you
variants.
give me
No matter
one-
how
give
you
me
use
the
it, you buy
paper
it.
on
It
this
costs
one.
0.0158 cents per use. Basket kits are about a penny per use. Dissolvables costing 37 cents per use. It's brand new. If you've never heard of us, it's because it's brand new. If you want samples,
Got
there's
it.
sample packs right here. Super simple to use. That's 4 labels or 2,000 single-use labels. Thank you very much. You get sample packs? Thank you. You guys, so you use, what kind of labels do you use right now? Masking tape. So do you have this problem then, right? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so this
A
was
little
the...
bit.
This was the driver. This is why I made the product. It was my job to go into dining halls and to scrub bins like this at the University of Michigan. I hated it. It was terrible. I'm like the best public university in the world, and I'm scrubbing bins as a job. Luckily, I was studying materials engineering at the same time, and I was like looking online for this label, a whiteboard label. Right? Should be easy. Didn't exist. I spent 2 years, patented it, invented it, and now it works perfectly. You write on it. It only comes off. Like doesn't come off in steam, freezing water, boiling water. Only when you take a cloth or a scrubber in your dish room and you wipe it off. Super easy, super cool, brand new way of doing it. And like I said, no matter how you do it, you'll save money, even if you're using masking tape. Questions about it? It's remarkable, pun intended. There you go. I already gave you one.